Here are some of the top quotes of Rumi, the 13th century Persian poet and philosopher. Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field. I'll meet you there. Welcome to the field where there is no judgment, only love. Let me show you how to get there. Be not in love with the world, for the world is in love with itself. It has no need of you. This is an old idea that has been expressed in many different ways by many different people. But it is an idea that we need to hear more often, especially now, when so many of us are lost in the world, obsessed with our phones, our social status, and the latest trends. Do not seek to follow in the footsteps of others. The path will be long and arduous. Seek instead to forge your own path, to blaze your own trail. For this is the only way to true freedom. Let me tell you a story about a king who went to a wise man and asked him, "How can I be happy?" The wise man said, "Stop seeking happiness and start seeking discomfort." The king was confused, but he followed the wise man's advice. And what he discovered was that the more he sought discomfort, the happier he became. Why? Because in the pursuit of happiness, we avoid pain. But it is through pain that we learn, we grow, and we become stronger. So don't be afraid of pain. Embrace it and let it make you happy.